In order to showcase the GebWMS warehouse/inventory system, I have put together this little representation of your rack in your little warehouse. So far, it's only representing one company in yellow, which will be MySTD, and these will have different configurations. They obviously have unique barcodes already. For instance, the first location has 4 slots, so it means that it can accommodate 4 products. This one can take 1 product only, a single, and this can take 2 products. And obviously this is all configurable in the location settings in the software. Now, the first product I'll be dealing with in the next demo is this monster can, because I've already mentioned that I'll be doing that, and this goes to this location, obviously. Now, I also will be adding some other energy drinks, because MySTD is a distributor of energy drinks. This is quite interesting to do with one hand, but yeah. So there will be some functionality that will enable you to allocate products to locations. However, I will also be showcasing at some point in time a different company, because guess what? GebWMS can rent out locations within the same warehouse to different companies, and they can have their own products and own users, etc., etc. So the green one will be a sort of office supplies company. So you can see sticky notes with 9 potential slots for the sticky notes, and then there's a glue. So yeah, I'm going to be doing quite a few demos with this rig, and yes, I know these are not done yet, but give me some time. I am in general quite chuffed with this, and this will be a good rig to showcase how GebWMS works. Alright, thanks for watching.